So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is create a new album inside of Google Photos. So to do that, if I were to go around onto album, I'm going to go around over here, and here you can see that I have pictures of five right here, which is in an album. If I want to go ahead and create a new album, then you can go around, click on create album right here, just like this. And over here, what you can do is, let's say, for example, add in something like my collection. So let's say this is the album name right here. Go ahead and click on add photos right here, and then you can go ahead and use existing photos right here. Let's say, for example, these ones right here, just like this. You can go ahead and select out these pictures, as you can see right here, and then press done, and they get added to the album, as you can see right here. Apart from this, you can also go ahead and click on the plus button on to add photos, and then select photos from computer as well. So if you want to upload it separately, then you can go ahead right here. And then over here, if I were to go around and let's say, for example, select out these images right here, I can even shift select them and then click on open. And then what happens is that those particular photos will be uploaded over here, as you can see, just like this, and gets added to the album. So this is the album that you have right here with the photos collection, and that is how you can create a new album as you like. And that is it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe